How to transfer money from your Gcash to Shopee Pay. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily transfer money from your Gcash to Shopee Pay. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Gcash. And here, once you log into your account, you'll be able to find different options on your home screen like send or load money. You're just gonna have to tap on the transfer button right there. And once you tap on transfer, you will see different options with the partner banks. Now you just have to tap on the view all button on the bottom right corner and then search for Shopee. Once you search for Shopee here, you are just gonna tap on it, and the first thing you need to enter is the amount that you want to send. Then you will have to enter your account name and finally your account number. If you don't know your account number, you can find it on your Shopee Pay app. And once you enter your account number, if you want a receipt, you can enter a email address. And once you enter all of these details, you can just tap on the send money button on the bottom and then you should be able to transfer your money from Gcash to Shopee Pay. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.